National Bird Day.
Now I would like to call upon Jenny to speak about our national.
I warmly welcome each one of you to our national performance. We are very happy to see you today. Your presence makes us confident. Birds are some of the most beautiful creatures on earth. They are our weather friends. Birds have special body that let them fly. They have wings for flying, wings for. It's called National Bird Day, celebrated every year on January 5th. We celebrate this day for three reasons. First, they come in so many bright colors: red, blue, green, and yellow. The sound of the birds singing in the morning is the best music to wake up. In our world,
Birds are not just pretty, they are great helpers. They help plants grow. Birds eat seeds and then fly to different places. When
the most beautiful bird in the country, the peacock. The peacock is special because it is the national bird of India. That means it is a symbol of our bright and beautiful nature. Just look at its feathers. The peacock has a round start small. A mother bird lays an egg. The egg has a shell to protect the baby growing inside, called the embryo. It is like a tiny, perfect house. Incubation, laying the eggs. The parents' birds must keep warm. This is called incubation. Yes, it has. This is called camouflage, and it means the voodoo bird is safe from its enemies. When the sun goes down, the voodoo bird nectar for flower, hummingbird, which birds fall and creepy.
bird cannot fly.
Ostrich,
Which bird comes out at night?
up to the sky, down to the ground. Little bird, little bird.
So we are costume difference. So we have to adjust. With colorful costumes and varieties of programs. Speeches are there. How a bird is taking birth from the time of egg and it is transformation into a bird. Step by step you have to come.
Thank you, Father, for your encouragement